Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable LinkedIn employee posts showing in your feed, beginner guide step by. To disable LinkedIn employee posts in your feed, start by opening the LinkedIn app or website. Log in to your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your homepage by clicking on the LinkedIn logo, usually found at the top left. Look for the feed area where you see posts from your connections and companies. In this feed, identify a post from an employee that you want to hide. Click on the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of that post. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Select the option labeled "I don't want to see this." After you make this selection, LinkedIn will prompt you to provide a reason. Choose the reason that best fits your situation, such as "I see too many posts from this person." This action will hide the specific post and reduce similar posts appearing in your feed. Repeat this process for any additional employee posts you wish to remove. For a more comprehensive approach, head to the My Network tab at the top of the page. Click on Manage My Network to customize your connections and preferences. Scroll down to find connections and review the list of connections. You can choose to unfollow specific connections whose posts you're less interested in. Once done, return to your home page to see the changes in your feed. This method will help tailor your LinkedIn experience to better suit your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.